I'm done talking, Tommy. You done talking? Mm-hmm. Me too. All right. Check, please.
Alright. Damned if I do, damned if I don't. You know I got a girl back home. You got a man, what you want? What you want? What these bitches want from a nigga? Want some DMX shit. I know them other niggas love tricking on some BMX shit, but not me. Now I'm sure you done heard about me.
Nobody cried. Nobody even noticed. Both hearts long to the tide we went in circles somewhere else. You okay? No, I'm not okay. You guys completely abandoned me. I have had the worst week of my life. And I needed you. I needed you.
Don't cry. I just
I have had the worst week of my life. And I needed you.
It's just a cigarette, and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me? And you know it makes me sad.
There they go again, one of my friends. They don't give a damn how a nigga been. All they wanna know is what I got to give. How much did I spend? What I got to lend? What I did and what I didn't do for them. Brick.
What a lame gimmick.
I was there for you in your darkest times. I was there for you in your darkest times. When I was almost on my knees.
Are you okay? No, I'm not okay. You guys completely abandoned me. I have had the worst week of my life. And I needed you. I needed you. And we're too busy. You guys are bad friends. And this, Meng is dead. So.
Hey, I'm sorry, but I've had a lot of family stuff to deal with too. It's not just always about you.
Yeah.
Really coming to the conclusion I am not a for lifer. I'm a seasonal person. I'm put in people's lives to help them for a certain amount of time, and then it just fade off and it's over. And then I gotta sit back and think about what did I get out of the situation. But before I can do that, it's another season.
Don't be afraid to lose people who weren't down for you anyway. Let me repeat that. Don't be afraid to lose people who weren't down for you anyway. They were never gonna be there.
It's so easy to be upset at other people for not being there for you when you need them most, but most of the time you're so focused on how other people aren't there for you that you do the same exact thing to yourself. Show yourself that even if you don't have anyone to trust, that you can still trust yourself. Show yourself that even if other people abandon you when you need them most, that you won't abandon yourself too. Don't forget to keep showing up for the most important person in your life. You. Normalize prioritizing your mental health. Show some kindness to yourself.
Cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even, no. What am I supposed to do?
I give you my hours and advice, just trying to fix you and all your daddy issues, but now I don't even miss you anymore. I'm so high, I want all the tears back.
Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could have been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn.
With someone else, please don't have somebody waiting on you. Please don't be in love with someone else.
But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart.
For you to love me, and even though I may not show it, I need it from you. I thought that I was back on track, but I feel lost again. You gotta learn to trust yourself, these people not your friends.
I'm tired of being half trying to keep the water down.
Stop calling me your friend and then cutting me out every time it's convenient for you. I stick around every single time something comes up or someone new in your life. I'm the one you cut out. I'm the one that's stuck by your side for everything, and yet I'm the one you cut out. Stop calling me your friend. I am not your friend. If you can throw me away that easily, I'm tired of reaching out and being the good friend. I'm tired of it.
Cause I need this whole gone.
I've had the worst week of my life. And I needed you.
Hey, I'm sorry, but I've had a lot of family stuff to deal with too. It's not just always about you.
I've never felt more alone.
Hold on, I still want you.
Do you know the saddest shit is? When you are always there for everyone,
Come back, I still need you.
but when you need someone, no one is there for you.
I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling and it's licking in your cup. All you really want is love, baby.
I'm not okay. And I needed you. I needed you. And you were too busy. You guys are bad friends.
Let me come home. Always wherever I'm with you. She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach.
Cause I need this whole gone. The funny are the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving.
I don't even know where to start, but I can play the part. We say we're friends, but I'm catching you across the room. It makes no sense, cause we're fighting over what we do.